She's yelling, I do it all myself.
Maybe she should ride behind Cody.
Well, where she is now, she's good. She's safe. She can't hurt herself.
He ain't going fast enough to get hurt. Or she runs over a little guy. Come here.
He's tired of falling down on the
Oh, I can understand. Oh, I can understand. Here comes your sister. Someday you'll be riding that, huh?
I don't know, I think it's better going the other way.
No. She's just not, she ain't got, well, she's got the weight, she ain't giving it the gas. Once you get her going, you gotta keep it going.
Oh. Because Cody did great till he got to the back hill. Okay, everybody goes.
Good job. Look up. Yes, sir.
Keep going, babe.
Give it gas, babe.
Yeah, come here. Come here. Come. Come. Yeah, come. Come on.
Ready?